Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I've been getting a number of questions lately from people who are kind of new to the shortwave listening and amateur radio hobby, and they're asking me what is a good book to give me some basic information about the hobby. Well, one book that I've used a lot myself, and I did a review of it several years ago, is in my Amazon store, and it's down near the bottom because I put it in my store quite a long time ago. Let me see if I can scroll down and find it. It's down here someplace. I think I'm getting close. Yeah, there it is, and I'll click on that. And this is How to Listen to the World. It's a Kindle book by Ken Rentz. And if you're a member of the Kindle Unlimited on Amazon, you can read this for free. And as you can see, I borrowed this back in October of 2021. That's the most recent time I borrowed it, because what happened is I deleted it because you can only have 10 books out at a time for free. And then if you want an 11th one, you got to delete one. Well, I deleted this one. And then I realized, no, that's a good book to have, so I deleted something else and I got it back in my Kindle inventory back in October of 2021. So, like I say, if you are already a Kindle Unlimited subscriber, which is $9.95 a month, you can get this book for free. If you're not, it's only $2.99. And it's well worth it. It's 172 pages. Now, granted, some of the information is old, but most of the information is still applicable today. And I'm going to use the Look Inside option under Amazon, which you could do, and I'm going to show you kind of what's in here. I've actually looked at it before. I'm going to mainly just do a look at the index. So here is part one, getting started, mapping shortwave bands, short course on long wave, AM bands, buying your first shortwave radio. Again, this is dated, so this is going to be radios at that time. I don't know if it says, yeah. This is revised in 2018, so it's a little old, but like I say, most of the information is good. There's a look at one of my favorite radios, the Sangean ATS 909X. Talks about exploring amateur radio and antennas you would use and stuff like that. So it's got lots of information, lots of links. Now maybe, again, some of the links are old. I'm not going to go through this in detail because you can do that. And it talks about, all facets of listening to the bands. Here's some links to some other books you can get. Again, some of these links are old. Information about utility shortwave stations, shortwave spy stations. Here's another location to check out. And here's the article on mapping the shortwave bands, what band has what information on it and what shows and whatever, it talks about long wave, medium wave, and shortwave. Here's a link to the WWV stations. All kinds of information about all the bands, everything you need to get started. Like here's the article on, or the chapter on buying your first shortwave radio. Talks about radios in general, past and new. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. Let me close this. So again, you can get this. Let me see if I can go back. You can get this through through my, whoops, I went back too far. What, you can get this through my Amazon store, and I get a small commission when you do that, and the link to my Amazon store is down below in the description under each video. So check this out. If you're new, or even maybe you haven't been on shortwave and haven't used your amateur radio license in a while, this would be a good refresher book. It's free if you're a member of the Kindle Unlimited. It's only $2.99 if you want to buy it. Again, it's in Kindle format, and you can read it on your PC with a free Kindle Reader download. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.